Children, now we are going to learn about physical properties of haloalkanes. Pure haloalkanes are colorless, but bromo, chloro, haloalkanes are colored in the presence of light. Next, this is the first property. Second property, haloalkanes having 1, 2 or 3 carbon atoms, 1, 2 or 3 carbon atoms are in the gaseous state at normal temperature. But having more than 3 carbon atoms, they are in liquid or solid state. Number 3, boiling point and melting point. Haloalkanes having higher boiling point and melting point than the parent alkanes having the same number of carbons. Because why haloalkanes having higher boiling point and melting point? Because intermolecular forces of attraction are stronger, that is dipole interaction and van der Waals force. Dipole means two poles, positive negative, that is called dipole interaction, and van der Waals forces are stronger in haloalkanes. So haloalkanes having higher melting and boiling point. This is the question will be asked, why haloalkanes having higher melting and boiling point? Because of these two forces, intermolecular forces such as dipole interaction and van der Waals forces. Next, the boiling point and melting point, that is decreases with respect to the halogen. That is first one CH3I, then CH3Br, then CH3Cl, then CH3F. Such a way it decreases in the order in the presence of the halogen. Next, the boiling point of chloro, bromo, iodo alkanes increases with increase in the number of halogen atoms. For example, if CCl4, carbon tetrachloride, trichloromethane, dichloromethane, monochloromethane, such a way the boiling points increases with increase in the number of halogen atoms. Next, the boiling and melting point of monohaloalkane increases with increase in the number of carbon atoms. For example, if there are more number of carbon atoms, it get increased. For example, chloropropane, then chloroethane, then chloromethane. Among these three, this is having higher because of the more number of carbon atoms, 3, 2, 1. This is having more. Next, among isomeric means compounds containing same number of carbon atoms and hydrogen atoms. That is same formula. But among the isomeric alkyl halides, if whether they may be a straight chain or in the branch, straight or branch, the branch compound that is decreases with increase in branching. Among the isomeric alkyl halides, the boiling point decreases with increase in branching. When the branching increases, the molecule getting somewhat spherical in shape with less surface area. As a result, due to the less surface area, there may be weak intermolecular forces resulting in lower boiling point. So, chlorobutane, here count how many carbon atoms, 1, 2, 3, 4, C4, hydrogen 3, 5, 7, 9 and Cl. Here you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 carbon atoms. Hydrogen 3, 5, 6, 9, Cl. Same molecular formula. This is one of the compound. 1, 2, 3, 4, C4. 3, 6, 9, H9, Cl. 3 compounds having same molecular formula. That is called isomeric. But what I said, this is with this formula, this is the straight chain. Here one branching, here two branching. So it is said that with increase in branching, the molecule attains spherical in shape with less surface area. This is getting, when compared to this one, this is getting less surface area. So when the surface area get lessened, the intermolecular forces become weak, resulting in lower boiling point. So this is having higher boiling point. That is 351.5 Kelvin. For this one 341. For this one 324. Lowest because of the branching. Lower surface area. Intermolecular forces get weakened. Next property, solubility. Haloalkanes are polar covalent compound, soluble in organic solvents, but insoluble in water. All the haloalkanes insoluble in water because they cannot form hydrogen bonds with water molecules. The last property, density. Density of alkyl halides, liquid alkyl halides are higher than those of hydrocarbons of comparable molecular weight. The haloalkanes density is higher when compared to the hydrocarbons. Everything clearly given in book page number 232. Physical properties, that is color, then state, physical state, then boiling point, melting point, solubility, density.